Hello students, now we will start exercise 2.6. So let us start question number 1. Our question number 1 is find. Now this exercise is about multiplication of decimal number. Now how to multiply decimal number with whole number or decimal number with decimal number. Let us see, it is very simple. Now first one is 0.2 multiplied by 6. So first of all we will multiply it like simple numbers. How we multiply, that way we will multiply. So this is 0 2. First we will multiply without decimal and then in our answer we will put decimal point. So first simple multiplication we will do and then we will put decimal point in our answer. So 0 2 means 2. So this I can write as 2 multiplied by 6. Now 2 6 is 12. So our answer is 12. So first we have to multiply like this way, simple multiply. Now here point is after one digit. In question point is given after one digit. So in our answer after one digit we will keep point. One digit from back side. Okay, पीछे से start करना है. So after one digit we will keep here point. So our answer will be 1.2. So this was simple. Now second one is also same. 8 multiplied by 4.6. So first we will do simple multiplication. We will do 46 into 8. Without point we will multiply and then in the answer we will put decimal point. So 46 into 8 we will multiply this. So 6 8s will be 48. So 8 and carry up 4. Now 8 4s will be 32 and 32 plus 4 will be 33, 34, 35 and 36. So 368. So our answer is 368. Again in the question here there is no point and here there is point after one digit. So in answer also we will put point after one digit. So after one digit from back side. पीछे से one digit count करना है. So after one digit means after 8 here we will put point. So this was second one. Now moving ahead with third one. Third one is also same. Again we will first do simple multiplication. So 271. 271 into 5. First we will multiply without point and then in answer we will put point. So 5 ones will be 5. 5 sevens will be 35. So 5 carry up 3. Now 5 twos are 10 and 3 will be 13. So 1 3 5 5. Now in question here point is after 1 and 2 digit. After 2 digit point is given and here there is no point. Here point is after 2 digit. So in answer also we will put point after 2 digit from back side. So this is 1 digit, this is second digit. So here we will put point. So after 2 digit we will put point. So our answer will be this 13.55. This will be our answer. Point after 2 digit, 1 digit and 2 digits. So here we are putting point. Now moving ahead with fourth one. So fourth one is 20.1 into 4. Again we will first do simple multiplication. So 201 into 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8. So 804. Again in question point is after one digit. So here also after one digit we will keep point. So it is 80.4. Now last one, sorry, fifth one, 0.05. So we will first do simple multiplication. So it is 005. 005 means only 5. So 5 sevens are. Now 5 sevens is 35. So we will write here 35. 35 is our answer. Now here point is after, this point is after 1 and 2 digit. So after 2 digit point is there. So here after 2 digit, so 1 digit and 2 digit. After 2 digit I will keep point. So here 0.35 or here you can write 0. So 0.35. So this is our answer of fifth one. Now moving ahead with sixth one. So sixth one is 211.02 into 4. Again first we will do simple multiplication. So it will be 211.02 is there, right? So first we will do simple multiplication. Without point we will do. So 21102 into 4. So without point we will multiply. So 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, again 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So 84408. This is our answer. Now we will put point after 1 and 2 digit. In question after 2 digit point is there. So here also after 2 digit we will keep point. So the answer will be 844.08. After 2 digit I have kept point. Now last one of question number 1. 2 into 0.86. Now 0.86 means 86 into 2 we will do. First we will simple multiply. Okay, first we will do simple multiply. So 86 2s are we will do first. So again 2 6 are 12, carry up 1, 2 8 are 16 and 1 17. So 172 is our answer. Now here there is no point. Here point is there after 2 digit. So after 1 and 2 digit we will keep point. So our answer will be 1.72. So this was question number 1. Now question number 2 is also multiplication of decimal number, but it is given in the form of word problem. Let us see. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7. Now length is given to us. Length is given 5.7 centimeter and breadth is given as 3 centimeter. So breadth is given 3 centimeter. Now find the area. So we have to find area. So area of rectangle, what is the formula? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we will simply multiply these both. So length is 5.7 and breadth is 3. In this formula we will keep the value L into B, and what is our L? 5.7 and B is 3. So now we will multiply 5.7 into 3. So first again we will do simple multiplication. So 7 3s are 21, 1 carry up 2, 5 3s are 15 and 2 will be 17. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So 171. Now point is after 1 digit. So here we will keep point. So 17.1. Now whenever we multiply length into breadth, we multiply unit also. 5.7 into 5.7 into 3 both are in centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter 2 times we are doing. So the unit will be centimeter square. So unit very important. Don't forget to mention the unit. So area is always in square units. So area of rectangle, whatever answer you get, you need to write centimeter square, or you can also write like this way, sq.cm, square centimeter. So both ways, anyone you can write, both are correct. So 17.1 square centimeter or 17.1 centimeter square. So this was our question number 2. Now moving ahead with again question number 3. Question number 3 is also find. So again we need to multiply, but here we will multiply all by 10, 100 and 1000. सारे जीरो वाले numbers है, 10, 100 or 1000. So whenever we multiply decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, it is very simple. We just have to shift the decimal to the right side. Decimal point will get shifted to the right side. For example, if 10 is there, then you will shift it to the right side. One time you will shift. If 20 is there, then 2 times you will shift. So for example, here it is 1.3 into 10. So 10 is there means 10 is there. So this decimal point right side we will shift, right side, this direction. So right side this point will get shifted. So the point will come after 3. But after 3 there is no digit. So first we will write without point. We will write 13, and here point will be shifted one time, one shift. Okay. So we will keep here point. So 13 point, nothing is there. So you can keep 0. Now second one, again 10 is there. So again this decimal point will be shifted one time to right side, because 10, so one time you will shift. So again 368, and this decimal point will come after 8. So here, and no digit is there, you can keep 0. Same, third one is also same. Again 10 is there, 153.7 into 10. So again one time you will shift to the right side. First of all, you write this without point, 1537. Okay. Now this decimal point is here. One time I will shift to right side. Why one time? Because 10 is there. So one time we need to shift. So point will be here. So you can keep 0. Now fourth one is 16807. Now we will shift the point. So point is here. Again 10 is there. So 10 is there. So one time we will shift the point. So the point will be shifted only one time. So point will come here. it will be shifted only one time, so here point will come. So 1680.7, so here point will come, so we have to shift here and then 7. Now 100, now we are multiplying with 100. So in 100 there are two zeros, so two times you will shift. Okay, so you will shift two times and then you will keep decimal point. So our question is 31.1, so 311. Now we will adjust decimal point. So this is our decimal point. Now we have to shift two times because 100 is there, 20 is there. So one time I will shift, so it will be here. Now again second time I will shift, but there is no point, so I have to take here 10. Now point was here. Okay, so one time I have shifted, second time I am shifting, so here will be my point and then 0. So the answer will be like this. Same way sixth one, it is 156.1 into 100. Again two zeros are there, so we have to shift two times. So here after point only one digit is there and we will shift two times to right side, so again we need to take 10. So 1561, so point is after 6, यहाँ पे point है, right? So two times we will shift, so one time it will be here and second time it will be here, so we will take 0 and then 0.0. So accordingly we have to take zeros. Now next is 3.62 into 100. So first we will write without point, then we will adjust. So 100 is there, so again two times we will shift. So one time if you shift it will be here, second time if you shift it will be here, means after 2. So after 2 you will keep point and then 0. Again eighth one is also same, two zeros are there, again two times we will shift. So this is our point. So one time it will shift here, second time it will shift here, so after 7 point will come. So 4307, then point and then no number is there, you can take 0. Now 0.5 into 10, again 10 is there, so 10 is there, so we will shift it one time, so this decimal point will come here. So after 5 point will come and here 05 was there and then you will keep here point and then 0. Now 05 means only 5, so if you don't write this 0 then also it is okay, you can write only 5.0 or only 5 also is correct. Now again 10 is there, so again we will shift one time. So this point is here, one time we will shift, so it will come here. So this decimal point will be shifted here. So it will be 0.8. So 0.8. Now 100 is there. So we have 09. 09 means only 9, or you can write 09 also, no problem. Now this point is here, we will shift two times. So one time we will shift, again second time we will shift. So here we need to take 0. So point was here, so one time I have shifted, second time I have shifted, so here point and 0, so 90.0. Now last one 1000 is there, so we have to shift three times. So you need to be very careful. Our question is 0.03. Now 1000 is there, so three times we have to shift to right side. So one time we will shift, so it will be here, second time it will be here, we have to take 10 and then third time it will be here. So here will be our decimal point, so it will be 0030.0. So 0030.0, or before the number if zeros are given, if you don't write that then also it is correct. So you can write only 30.0, 30.0 or only 30 is also correct. So 003 मतलब 3 होता है, right? So आगे जो zeros है अगर आप नहीं लिखेंगे then also it is correct. So this was multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Hope you understood. In multiplication we will shift right side and in division we will shift left side. So these are the easy methods, you can easily multiply this. Now moving ahead with question number 4. So this is our question number 4. Let us first see the question. It is also multiplication but in the form of word problem. Question 4 is a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. Now in 1 liter of petrol it is covering this much. So first of all you can write statement that distance covered in 1 liter petrol. Distance covered in 1 liter petrol is how much? 55.3 kilometer. So distance covered in 1 liter petrol is this much. Now they are asking what will be the distance covered in 10 liters? So simply we have to multiply by 10. 1 liter का दिया है, 10 liter का ढूंढना है, so we want more, so we will multiply. So distance covered in 10 liter, they are asking distance covered in 10 liters, so that we don't know, so we have to find out of 10 liters. So we have to multiply. So 55.3 or 55.3 multiply by 10. So we will multiply this. Again, this is very simple. Just now we have seen 10 is there, multiply by 10. So we just have to shift the decimal point. This point will be shifted here because 10 is there. So one time we will shift it to right side. So 553 then 0.0. So this is our final answer. So this much kilometers. Don't forget to write the unit. In final answer always unit should be mentioned, otherwise you can lose half marks there. So keep a habit of mentioning the unit in question. If it is given kilometer, you will write kilometer, or meter is given, then meter. So according to the question, units in the final answer is must. So you must mention it. So 553.0 kilometer it will cover in 10 liters. You can write final statement. So this was question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hope you understood.